Hi everyone, welcome to my coding place. Today we're going to make the seasons change in ScratchJr. This is a series of ScratchJr lessons where you will learn how to make games and stories using code. So in ScratchJr, you can use the color blocks on the bottom half of the screen to make your program do something. And today we're going to make our characters and backdrops change. As you can see, the different color blocks do different things, and we're going to learn about that later in this video. So first, we're going to change our sprite and our backdrop. In order to change your sprite, you have to hold down on the little blue guy and press the X button. So now that he's gone, we're going to go change the backdrop first. We're going to be looking for spring. So once you found spring, we're going to go find a spring animal, and I chose a rabbit. And now we're going to repeat these steps, and we're going to find summer. So once you found summer, you're going to do the same thing with the blue guy, press on it, and click the X. And then we're going to find another animal. I chose a dog. Now we're going to find fall. Press the little blue guy, press the X, and then on the left-hand side, press the plus button. And then I chose a chicken for fall, but you could choose whatever you want. And now for our last season, we're going to find winter. I'm going to press the little blue guy again, and then repeat the steps. So you could either choose a penguin or a polar bear. I'm going to choose a polar bear. Okay, so now we're going to make the backdrops change. So in order to start with that, we need to use the green flag button. So whenever we use this green flag button, it makes our program and our code go. So now we need a time block. So this one is a wait button. So it's gonna wait 10 seconds after we click the green flag. But we want it to go to the next backdrop. So we're gonna find the number 2 on there. And you can change the time. I chose to 5 seconds, so it's a little bit quicker. But now we're gonna repeat the steps on the next backdrop. Find the wait button, and then find the next backdrop that says 3. As you can see here, they're all numbered differently. So once you found 3, you're good to go on that backdrop. And then on the third, you're going to repeat the steps. And so now that you've done it for the first 3, we can't forget about the 4th season, because we want it to go all the way back to the backdrop number 1, so it's cohesive. So we find the green flag, we find the wait button, and we do 5 seconds. And then we go it to all the way to number 1. And so now that we're done, we're going to click backdrop number 1 and click this button on the left-hand side. And once we click the green flag, the seasons start to change. And you can see they're changing really fast, but you can add more time and make it go a little bit slower, as well as you can make the seasons change however you would like. You can make them do Halloween, Christmas. It's all up to you, and just follow your imagination. Thank you again for watching this video. We'll see you next time.